Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Welcome to Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan.
It is like an ocean.
Yeah, you definitely can't see across it.
Not at all. Clearly,
beautiful.
We've been to the Great Lakes a whole lot before.
Never.
Us
for me.
Midwesterners. This is awesome. I mean, it is great. Why are we here though?
We are here for Camp KYD.
Yes, Keep Your Daydream. Did like a meetup camp thing, and they've been a really big inspiration to us, so we couldn't miss it when we heard the opportunity to come and camp with them. So
yeah, it was a 12-hour trek to get here, but it was well worth it. Meeting the community and getting to hang out, and plus it's a beautiful place.
Very pretty here. The camp is just like this quaint little adorable camp and retreat. It's Lake Michigan Camp and Retreat, actually.
That's what it's called.
That is literally what it's called. But it's just got so many things for like the kids to do, and there's a lot of kids here, so they're making friends, and it's been a lot of fun. And Bella wants to go swim in Lake Michigan.
Yeah, the water is not worth going into because it's 52 degrees. So.
It's really cool.
But some of the children don't care, and they're...
I'm guessing our kids will be wet before we go back up to the campground.
Crazy.
But we are excited to share a little bit of it with you, and just to show you guys a little bit more what the camping and RV community is like, because as if most people's experience and our experience so far is like it's a really cool community with a lot of really awesome people. So
yeah, everybody just asks questions, shares their experience, and just loves to engage and just be super helpful and nice, and there's just, I don't know, it's a great community.
Yeah. Instant friends.
Yes.
But we'll let Steve put down the thing now, and I'll keep our dock out of the water. What do you think, Bella? That wave made you nervous, didn't it? What are we doing, Maddie?
RV tour.
Whoa, we got a turn.
Trainer to get a saddle.
What camper did we go see?
There you go.
Our camper. Really our camper, but the same brand of our camper.
Whose was it before?
KYD.
Yes. So I have to say, getting to check out other people's campers, not just empty campers in a show, it's nice to go in and see what people have done, see what works, see what doesn't. So it's this is a nice change from the RV shows and just the empty campers.
Amazing live music about to start, and we need to eat this food. Thank you so much for being here. Each and every one of you is what makes this group amazing. We loved going through your rigs, albeit we needed way more than 2 hours. We needed more than 5 hours. We need more than 5 hours. Okay, but we bless the food, so let's eat. Okay?
of fun to come out and meet people that are doing the same thing as we are and traveling as often as they can, or even full-timing, and everybody kind of has the same mindset. So it's really fun to meet people that are, you know, from all over the country that are doing the same thing that you're doing, that are together for a common reason, which in this case happens to be Keep Your Daydream. But, you know, they've inspired all of us to go out and do our own thing. So it's fun to hear everybody's stories and see what they're doing and why they're doing it and what inspired them to get to that point. So it's been fun. And now we're waiting for a plane of some kind. Should be here any minute now.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out.
They're called sun.
gonna
Well,
let the sun
you see the rainbows
shine
on either side of the sun? They're called sun dogs.
I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past
That's a
stay
lane.
in the cold. I will listen to the ocean. It's unsaid, words unspoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes.
And with
so
that,
I can
the sun
see
set
the
on our time at Camp KYD. We want to thank Mark and Trish for hosting such a wonderful event. We were so busy making friends, sharing stories, and chatting with Mark and Trish that we don't have a lot of footage of the potluck. But our trip to Camp KYD will be one we'll always remember. It affirmed our love for the RVing community and inspired us to keep hitting the road. Even if our adventures don't always end up as what we thought they would be, wherever we go, no matter how far or how close to home, there is beauty to be seen and fabulous people to meet. We hope you'll follow our adventures, and we'll see you on the trail.